Today, guys, I will show you how to search on Reddit. So just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Reddit like this, and it's going to open on the homepage directly. So right now, if we click here, we can search for communities. There is a lot of and a huge communities. But if you want just to search for a person or anything or communities, go here to this search icon. And for example, this is trending today. Texas food after Mexico and Gold Cup. And you can search for anything like World Cup. And yeah. And that's all, guys, in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in another tutorial.